Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're working on a simple but super useful Python project, converting JSON data into a CSV file. If you've ever worked with APIs or data processing, this one's for you. Let's dive right in. What are JSON and CSV? Before we jump into the code, let's quickly understand the two file formats we're dealing with. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a format used to store structured data. It's widely used in APIs and web apps. CSV, comma-separated values, is a format used to store data in table format, just like an Excel spreadsheet. We import the built-in JSON module to read our JSON file. This line ensures the script only runs when we execute it directly, not when it's imported elsewhere. We open the input.json file and load its contents into a Python list of dictionaries. This line creates the CSV header row by extracting the keys from the first JSON object. Now we loop through the JSON data and format each row for the CSV. Now before we run the script, let's make sure we have a proper input.json file. This file contains the data we want to convert, and it must be properly formatted JSON. Otherwise, the script will break. Here's an example of what your input.json file should look like. Key tips. White heavy checkmark, use double quotes for keys and strings. White heavy checkmark, make sure all JSON is wrapped in double quotes. White heavy checkmark, each item should be separated by a comma, but not after the last one. White heavy checkmark, keep the file in the same directory as your Python script. The output data can be in many formats such as Excel, SQL, PDF, and many others. Finally, we write the CSV string into a file called output.csv. And of course, we wrap everything in a try except block to catch any errors, like missing files or bad formatting. Final output. When you run this script, you'll get a file called output.csv with your data nicely formatted and ready to use in Excel or Google Sheets. Conclusion. That's it for today's project. A simple script with real-world value, especially if you're working with APIs or data analysis. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want more beginner Python projects like this one.